You will ask me question or I have to continuously talking.
Hello, I am. Hello, and what should I hold in my hand?
तुम आँख मूंद के पी जाओ जिंदगी कैसर। एक मिनट ये वाली लाइन याद नहीं है।
Guys, take 2,
एक मिनट।
take 3.
बस आँख मूंद के लिसन।
ए तुम लोग जाओ ना पीछे से।
Take 4. So my experience in AP was totally what to think. Can you give me 1 minute? Yeah.
तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूँ अगर बुरा न लगे। तुम्हारे बस में अगर है तो भूल जाओ मुझे भुलाने में शायद तुम्हें ज़माना लगे। ये शेर जो है जाफरी साहब का अजीम प्रेमजी यूनिवर्सिटी की कैंपस लाइफ और बेंगलोर के मौसम पे बहुत ज़्यादा मेल खाता है। एक तरफ तो खूबसूरत माहौल जहाँ पे अलग तरह के लोगों से हमें बात करने का मौका मिलता है, उनके साथ समय गुजारने का मौका मिलता है। दूसरी तरफ बेंगलोर का सुहाना मौसम इस पे 4 चांद लगा देता है। तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम ऐसा स्पेस चाहते हैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ हम बैठ सकें, अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर सकें, कभी कभी अकेले, कभी कभी दोस्तों के साथ। यहाँ पे दिल चाहता है रहने का, अपने साथ दोस्तों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने का।
I've not gone much out of my school, so I've had a very narrow experience. I studied in the same school for 12 years, all my schooling basically. But then after coming to APU, seeing a lot of students from different backgrounds, socially, economically, my perspective of India broadened. So now I don't judge people, basically. I was very judgmental in the beginning. Now I'm very open to lots of ideas and I see people as individuals more than stereotyping with where they come from or where they belong.
For me, this space was a learning space in all means, because I think that for a student there is no divide between, I don't know where is the divide lies between personal or academic. For a student, everything is a platform for learning. So I get that space here, so I enjoy it.
I think it's quite diverse. You'll see students here from all age group. There are people who have come here after 10 years of experience. There are people who are fresh graduates. And I think this is a place which gives you a space to talk in a uniform manner to all the people.
In the first semester, I feel like I'm not meant to be here because I came from the backward college where attendance is not important, where the lecture is not important, and here everything is very vast, very important, and you need to focus reading and other things. You need to catch faculty for learning. But from this to now, I learned many things. I confidently say, yeah, I can stand in any place, I can say anything in front of anyone. I don't have that fear to speak. So earlier I had IT background and I had exposure about computer languages and all computer related study. But when I shift to education, whole things was new. Like from the sociology of education, philosophy of education, whole the pedagogy and curriculum was new for me. But the professor taught us from the scratch or the beginning. That thing motivated me and helped me to study more and to learn each thing or new thing every day.
The course follows an interdisciplinary approach. So it helps us to address why and how questions apart from what of law. And also with regard to classroom, we are coming to class with prior readings and the classroom becomes an open space for debate.
So during my 11th and 12th, I chose humanities. So I was really inclined towards the subject, and APU had a perfect combination of philosophy, history and literature. So I thought it would be perfect for me to study and explore my interest further and to narrow it down.
Theatre was something that was new for me, that I found a little late, but that brings out a lot of different aspects of yourself that you never know that they were in you. And I think B.Ed courses like creativity and pedagogical practices, there is this one course and it actually involves a lot of exercises that make you a performer. So I think whatever I did in the theatre club has definitely impacted on me, and as a teacher also it will have a big impact is what I think, yeah.
Apart from the structure and the environment over here, I think one of the very important thing which I would like to mention is the peer support program by the Conversations team. So peer supports are basically, they train you for like 3 months, okay? They kind of make you understand how mental health issues affect your academic life. Then the peer supporters' contact details and everything is passed around the students. So I feel that is something which I really liked about this campus and how they're dealing with mental health.
Initially, when I read about the curriculum of Masters in Public Policy and Governance, one thing which motivated me was the ground or the grassroots exposure which is given in this particular course. While public policy is considered to be a field where data is heavily, it's a data-driven field, but the course ensured that students are sensitized towards social realities as well.
और पिछले 2 सालों में जो भी यादें हमारे साथ बनी हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आने वाली ज़िंदगी भर जब हम उनको सोचेंगे तो सिर्फ सोचने से हम पूरे एक ऐसे माहौल में चले जाएंगे जहां हम सुकून पा सकेंगे। हालांकि अब जा रहे हैं, 2 साल पूरे होने को आए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी कहीं दिल यही कहता है, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं।
The one thing I can sustain throughout my life was the kind of some of my friends I got from APU. It's completely have different perspective, different religions, but the bond we created just in between 1 year is very good. The facility provided by APU somehow helped it. We are all from same hostel. The class timings are all same, so we are roaming around the campus, going back to the hostel at the same time. In one sense, I can say more than studies, this bond is best thing happened in my life in AP.
So I think giving autonomy to kids is very important. I got the autonomy to do whatever is good for me here, and now I realize what is good for me and what is not. And right now I think I'm independent and I can lead my life without any other help hereafter. And I came with lesser confidence, but I'm going out with a lot of confidence, and that itself is a big takeaway from me. I developed as an individual. More than the knowledge I gained, I was able to put in my opinions first. So I didn't get the space anywhere. So giving my opinion itself was a big deal for me.
The biggest learning, I will say, this university taught us how to be human being and how we have to tackle the situation with the positively. There are challenges in social sector, but this university gave me insights how to deal with that situation and challenges with positive.